Hi, I'm Carl from Bear Creek Woodworking and welcome to my channel. On my channel I like to share with you my experiences as a woodworker. I like to share my journey with you as I make projects for myself, my family, and my friends. On this channel I also would like to share with you tips and tricks on how you can become a better woodworker and also how you can just kind of work smarter but not necessarily harder on getting your projects done. And also I like to share product reviews on this channel. These are tools that I personally do use. If that sounds good to you, well, subscribe. Next I'll show you a few little samples of what you can expect to see on this channel. So thanks for watching this video, and until next time, have a great day.